Let's see how to connect to MELSEC in KMS.
We are working with an FX5U PLC project. First, go to Parameter, Module Parameter, then double-click on the Ethernet port and open External Device Configuration. Add an SLMP connection module, set the port number to 5002 and keep the IP address the same. Save the project and download the configuration into the PLC. Next, in KMS, go to Communication, Mitsubishi, and click Add. Enter the device name, IP address, and the port number, 5002 as defined in the hardware settings, then connect. Define a group name, add parameters with their absolute addresses, and assign tag names. Finally, configure the historian, and your data will be ready to use in KMS.